Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Pilar Vlogs USA. For today's video, I am gonna unbox again a gift from my Facebook friend, Hazel. Sis Hazel. Ito, i-unbox ko siya, ha? Ayan. Tapos sinulatan pa ng anak niya. Ano ba yan? Ayan. I love you from Bea. Ang so sweet, no? Sweet ng anak niya. Si Bea. Yan. Cute.
Off the table. Off the table.
Yan. Open ko na. Hindi na natin papatagalin pa. Scissors. Sealed na sealed para hindi mabuksan. Yan. I'm so excited. What's in the box? What's in the box? Thank you, Sissy, Hazel, and Bea. Ayan. Open na, guys. There's more.
Oh.
Wow. Got it. Wow, there's a book. My first read and learn Bible. Yep. Wow, ang dami. Ang dami pinagkasya talaga sa isang box. And this one for the baby. For the diet. I think so, wipes. Yeah, baby wipes. For the baby wipes. Thank you. Yan. Zote soap. Wow, ang dami naman ito. Cute, cute. Mission Cooling Gator Face and Neck Mask. Yan. Wow. Cutie shoes. Look at that. Ano ba yan? Hindi makita sa camera. Yan.
Apple.
Baby girl. Oh,
Apple.
cute.
Yummy, yummy. Apple. Apple.
Mickey Mouse.
A is an apple.
A is for apple, dear.
This is an apple.
Apple. This one, towel.
Apple.
Apple. A is for apple. You wanna get apple panty?
Apple.
Here's your apple.
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 I like apple. I did the apple.
This one, guys.
You
Mga
too.
bibs. Daming bibs. Bibs. Oh, dami ka ng mga damit ng baby. Pang newborn. This one. There's pants. Ang cute and liit. Pang newborn. This one. Ito, hat naman. May gloves. May gloves pa, guys. Ito, hat. Wow. Meron akong pang araw-araw. Hat. Yan. Meron pa. Uy! Late. Newborn and cute. So excited. I'm gonna wash these. I'm gonna give birth last week of June. Excited na. This one. Oh, ang liit. Ang cute. May gloves siya. Green. Dress. Very cute. Tapos, yan. Ang puti. Another one. Ang puti. For baby. For everyday use. I don't need to buy. Because I have already. I melt daddy's heart. I melt daddy's heart. Cute. More. What is this?
Oh.
Bag. Oh, what's this? I thought it's a bag, but it's not. Pang cover kapag magpadede. I guess so. Tapos, ito. Oh, ang dami. Yan. Puti na naman. Daddy's sweet girl. Ah, yan yung nasulat. And next 3 to 6 months pang everyday. Ano pa? Oh wow, this one cute.
Oh.
Mga girly talaga pants. Another pants, guys. Very cute. Every day. I don't need to buy this one. Cute. Thank you, Sis Hazel. Oh wow. Meron pang chaleco or vest or basta pang outfit. Yan, cute. What is this? Shine bright. Oh, ang cute ng lilit. Excited. There's another one. Pang newborn. Daddy's princess, pang everyday use. Oh, ganito siya kaliit, no? Kung anak. Oh, ganyan kaliit akong anak. Oh my gosh. Newborn. There's more. Pink. So cute. Oh my gosh, ganito kaliit yung baby ko paglabas. Ladybug. Oh my gosh, so excited. So exciting. There's more. Oh, there's more. Cute. Tapos, may hairband pa. Color pink. Hairband. Pink. Yan. Tapos, ito, mga gloves. Mga gloves kasi mahaba yung kuko nila eh. So, may socks, gloves, socks. Ang liliit. Cute. Ayan, ang liit. So tiny. Ayan, oh my gosh. Ang cute. Ang dami. Cute ang liliit. Thank you, sis. Meron. Ito short naman. Meron pa. Oh, ang dami talaga ang liliit. Ito meron pa. Para saan ba to? I think sa car seat ito. Iko-cover. Car seat. Iko-cover yata ito sa car seat. Kung malamig. Cover sa baby.
Yummy. Apple.
Pang swaddle. Swaddle naman. Swaddle. Yummy apple. Swaddle, guys. Pang swaddle kapag mag-sleep na siya. Parang nakaganon pa rin. Yapus na yapus. Yapus na yapus. Meron pa, bless this baby girl. Oh, it's so cute. Nursery cross. Stepping stone. Look. Bless this baby girl. Thank you, sis. Oh, so cute. Bless this baby girl. It's a cross, guys. It's a cross. Bless this baby girl. And then children's chewable, multivitamin, no artificial sugars, great taste. Vitamins, cherry flavor, wild cherry flavor. Para kang Michael. Tapos, meron pa holy water from Bia's baptism. Oh, so cute. Holy water. Ibibigay ko to kay Daddy. Oh, thank you. From Bia's baptism. Holy water. Very nice. Hindi makikita. Ay. Yan. Thank you. Thank you so much, sis. Thank you so much. Wala na. Empty box. That's all. Ganyan lang sa box. So, yun. Tapos na tayo mag-unbox. Inisa-isa na natin. Ito. Ito, holy water. Ang cute naman. Ang dami. Lalabahan ko to. Bago ako maglaba, bibili muna ako ng laundry soap, yung pang baby for the newborn. Kasi dati, noong nanganak ako sa dalawa kong anak, sila may sarili silang sabon para hindi sila ma-allergy. Hindi yung pang adult na sabon na strong. Alam niyo yun, strong smell. Very strong yung ingredients. So, ito, bibili ako ng pang newborn na sabon, pang laundry, para sa baby lang talaga siya. Para hindi mag-sensitive yung skin, hindi magkapantal-pantal. Ayun. Thank you so much, sis Hazel and Bea, sa mga damit pang araw-araw. I don't need to buy. Para sa kanyang pang araw-araw, baby girl. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Manganganak ako sa last week ng June kasi yung due date ko is July 1st. So, mga last week of June na siya lalabas. Diba? Excited ang nanay. Ang dami-dami ko ng mga damit. Pang newborn. Ko, magiging tad-tad na naman ang yung Facebook wall ko nito. Kapag mga anak ako, puro na naman baby pictures yung nasa wall ko nito, mga i-upload ko, ganun. Well, ganyan talaga kapag may bagong baby. Char. Alright. So, guys, iyon na yung lahat ng aking unboxing galing sa aking kaibigan, aking Facebook friend na si Hazel, at saka yung sa kanyang anak, nagpadala. I love you too, Bea. Thank you so much. Thank you. More blessings to come. Thank you for sharing your blessings, your clothes. Thank you so much. See you in the next video, guys. Bye for now.